Alright, good night to everyone out there. It is currently 11:00. No, it's not. It's 11:12 p.m. Saturday. What's today? Wednesday, the 22nd of December. Watching the potential for the winter storm Saturday. Christmas Day. You can see I'm a bit down right now. Before I go into this video, you have to promise me one thing. Not to turn it off until it's done, pretty much, okay? Because I want to explain my reasoning behind my forecast, okay? Please, hang with me through this first part, at least. You'll figure out why here in a minute. But please, do not turn the video off in the first couple minutes. Here's my forecast right now. I don't think we're going to see snow at all this weekend, not even a flurry. Let me tell you why. The no gaps, and it takes it way down the Yucatan Peninsula, doesn't show a bit of moisture over North Carolina. Here's the DGEX, shows just a little bit of moisture south of us, and there it goes. I put 100% of my stock in those two models. So, that's my thoughts right now. I'm just kidding. Now that you've had your mini heart attack or either cussing me because thinking, what is this idiot talking about? I'm sure some of that, the thought similar to that went through some of your heads right then. No, it's going to snow here this weekend. Okay? So now you can breathe in, take a deep breath, and just be relieved that that was fake. Okay? Gotcha. Some of you. Anyways. I think we are going to see snow this weekend. How much is kind of the question right now. Alright? Let me show you our storm. Our storm has came on shore. On shore. So that's a good thing. It's starting to come in. It's over Arizona, so Eastern California right now. Here, let me show you some modeling. Here's some earlier modeling from the 18Z run of the NAM. Not showing much moisture, but it's got a little bit. Just going to run through these models real quick. GFS, let me see. Okay. GFS, more, this is 12Z run. Lighter precip, but it's got some precip coming in. And the track towards the Euro is good. It's a go. Shows the snow consolidated, the eastern part of the state, though. Here's the European, massive snowstorm, especially for the eastern part. Canadian continues its no snow for western NC on the 12Z, along with the 0Z last night. That kind of boggles my mind. Here is the precip amounts from the European, and that's got us in the 5, 7, 8-inch zone. Raleigh in the 17 to 20-inch zone. Parts of northeast of Raleigh, 20 to 25 inches or so. That's interesting. Here's some 500 millibar charts for you to show you the phasing of the two systems, or the northern branch and the southern branch, excuse me. Here's the 18Z NAM. Doesn't phase until it's over Florida or so. Yeah, okay. Here is the 12Z run of the GFS. Doesn't phase until it's over Louisiana. That's a good job. Same general thing with European. Same general thing with the Canadian. Pretty much. Alright. Let's see. And the Canadian just digs the trough way south. Okay. No. Hold on. What am I looking at? Okay, I think I just said something wrong. Pushes it too far east, that's what happens. Okay, I'm sorry, I just got confused. That happens. Here's the 0Z run of the NAM. Got more precip over us. Good sign. Inch or two of snow according to it. Here's the GFS accumulated snow cover. It's finally came in line. Thank you, Jesus. It is there. 3 to 4 inches of snow. With the 18Z run, 0Z run should be coming in momentarily. Europe, no, this is the GFS, 18Z run, I just showed you that. There's the surface charts. Here's the no gaps, the DGEX, that I don't even need to show you. I can show you DGEX shoves it, or doesn't show much precip, flurries. No gap shoves it way far south. Kind of discard them. I know you're not supposed to do that, but go ahead. Here is the 0Z run of the NAM. Shows the, let's see, 0Z run of the NAM doesn't even show the system really developing and closing off, which I don't know why it does that. But anyways, and here is the 18Z run of the GFS. Closes the low phases over the same place. European 0Z run. What? This is from last night, I guess. 12Z European does the same thing. Zero. I've already showed you these. Okay, why am I showing you it again? So it's time to show you my actual thoughts for this system. Actually, let me run through my list. All right. Okay. Oh, and the reason. Okay, and one thing about the NAM is it's not as accurate. It's only accurate about out to 2 days, and since this system has slowed down, it is maybe not going to be a Christmas thing, maybe Christmas night thing, and later Christmas evening, but maybe not Christmas morning. I don't think there will be snow on the ground when you get up Christmas morning. Sorry. You can either pray for that to happen and have rain, or you can, I mean, you can pray for anything, but if that happened, then it might start as rain. No model's really showing it happening like that, though. But anyways, it's going to be all snow. Let's see, gotcha, got that. Okay, this is one thing that's been bothering me, that some people have been saying, and it makes me upset, okay? And it's when you say something's not going to happen because it ain't ever happened, or it's not that likely, okay? Let's see. The weather's on the TV. I should cut that off because that's distracting. But, say, okay, I can't think of an example. But, anyways, because some people have been saying, well, it's not snowed here on Christmas Day since 1947, so it's not going to happen. That's like the most ignorant and dumb thing I've ever heard, okay? Just because it hasn't happened in so long, your chances actually kind of increase. Okay, unless something's happening that it's getting further and further unlikely. But that's not, okay? Your chances you're like, I shouldn't say your chances increase because they don't really increase, but you get what I'm saying, okay? So don't say it's not going to happen just because it ain't happened in the past. That's stupid, okay? And don't say it's not going to happen because last year was a big year and so this year we're going to skip it. Don't say that stuff. It gets on my nerves. But anyways, GFS is starting to come in line, continuing the trend towards the European, maybe day after Christmas. Timing is still an issue. Okay, that's the bigger thing. Let me talk about that on the accumulation map. Got it. Oh, I can tell you about that. Salt brine already being laid down in Statesville, North Carolina, in Iredell County. All over the roads, actually. And even in Catawba County, I saw it when I went over there today. That's why the video is being put out so late. Okay. No, I don't want that up. I'm sorry. Alright, 826. Okay, I'll try to hurry this up. Okay, minus. Okay. Hurry up. Alright, here we go. Let me try to get this to where everybody can see it. Alright, this is my preliminary snowfall forecast for North Carolina for Christmas Day Snowstorm 2010. Updated December 22nd, 2010, 10:51 p.m. This forecast is subject to change. Just wanted to get that disclaimer out there. Okay, we got the very light blue area, traced to 1 inch. This darker blue, 1 to 3 inches, and over us in Charlotte and places like that, 2 to 4 inches, 4 to 8 as you go into Raleigh. And these amounts over here drop off. This should be kind of expanded more, but the rain mixing in the later freezing temperatures kind of made me do this. But 2 to 4 back through here, 1 to 3, and traced to 1 inch along the Outer Banks. Here's the thing, okay? We're still 1, 2, and if it happens on Sunday, almost 3 days out from the storm. Okay? Still time for this thing to trend a little more west or trend a little more east. We still got time for this thing to kind of say, hey, what's going to happen, you know, in the models to trend, okay? This little band of heavier snowfall could be shifted west, could be shifted east. I think it's, as of now, is in a good place. But tomorrow I'll put out a forecast that's more solid, more confident in it. Okay, but that's my thoughts as of now, and I'm being very conservative on this map. I was very tempted to change this zone to 10 to 15 inches, this zone to 7 to 10, or let's see, no, that'd be like 5 to 10. I was very tempted to do that. But seriously, like if some models, like especially the European, are showing some of these totals being doubled, if not tripled. Okay, so this area being in here anywhere from 6 to 12 inches, anything in here from 12 to, no, that wouldn't be 12. Yeah, it would be 12 to 24 inches, and you know, we've still got time, okay, and we'll have to iron those details out. And this is a very early map, I warn you. One thing that worries me, kind of, in a way, not as much now as it did last night, but the out-to-shore solution, out-to-shore, oh my goodness, it's late, out-to-sea solution, that's kind of worrying me a little bit, but not really. I don't think that'll be a big issue. It's going to be all snow, I'm pretty sure. Not hardly any rain. Good thing for that. Better tomorrow, and I know I said it would be a better forecast today, and it was a better forecast. I'm more confident that it's going to snow. But since it's a slower, model's trending slower, then I'm going to have to wait till tomorrow to put out a really solid forecast. But thank you for watching. Sorry I've taken so much of your time, your precious time, to pull that prank on you at the beginning of the video. But anyways, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and have a wonderful night.